Hello, everybody. I'm so glad to be here. In fact, I'm totally pepped up to be a part of this today. Thank you so much, Nava. Thank you so much, Predzi, for giving me this amazing opportunity to get connected with all of you guys sitting at home in India. Giving a brief about myself, I'm the VP of Sales at 360 Degree Cloud Consulting Technologies Private Limited. And I'm here to share our impactful journey using the hybrid work model. Before talking further about the company and the hybrid work model, I would like to take a moment to express my gratitude to the universe for keeping us all safe and alive. We are all in this battle together, and I'm quite sure that we are going to emerge out triumphant. But in this pandemic situation, what we have learned is change is something which is constant. The new hybrid way of working is here to stay. I would like to share our story, how we have been growing. I would like to share my story, how I have been using this to make an impact, to make the best use of resources. Yes, we are all human beings and we are used to the human touch. Meeting in person has got an impact. But when it comes to the hybrid way of working, if we follow the right practices, we can make an impact where we build an emotional quotient, where we build an empathy for each other. I joined this company in November 2020, where that was a time where people were either, the countries were either coming out of a lockdown or they were moving into another phase of lockdown. That was a disturbing situation. But for me, when I joined this company, the transition was amazingly smooth. Today, I can proudly say that I have been connected to all my colleagues, my co-workers, and my teammates. And being connected doesn't only mean just knowing them, rather, understanding them, sharing an empathy for each other, sharing an emotional quotient with each other. We are ultimately emotional people. What we do, we get into various video calls. We get into various phone calls. Phone calls are something which is quite normal. But when you get into a video call, there is a exchange of energy, right? You see each other, you get to know each other more, you get to share your own experiences, you get to share your stories. And that is what we have been utilizing to make an impact. To tell you about our company's growth, we have grown from 300 to 400 employees in about last 6 to 7 months. And the number is still growing. Talking about our consulting, talking about our company, what we do, we provide Salesforce consulting. We have been a Salesforce consulting partner for about a decade. Not just that, we have our products, we have built products which are completely native to Salesforce and can be used, or rather, they're helping the customers to leverage the product further. We have the product which is the amazing texting solution, the 360 SMS app. You can use that product to make all those conversations with your customers using the WhatsApp, the SMS channel, the Facebook Messenger, WeChat, Viber, and all the conversations get recorded in your Salesforce CRM application. Not just that, the application also helps you to send bulk messages. And that too unlimited bulk messages. You can also do a lot of automations based on the responses which you receive from your customers. Feel free to reach out to me and I will show you more about the product. I'll share more details about the product. In fact, you can see our product details further in the App Exchange as well. The 360 SMS app is there listed on the App Exchange. Apart from the SMS app, we also have the products like the Verify the Mail, Verify the Phone, which will help you to remove the junk emails and junk phone numbers, helping you in enhancing your sales productivity, sales and marketing productivity. We also have the CTI dialer, again built natively on Salesforce, where you can make the calls converse with the customers, and all the customer details, all the automations, everything will be done on Salesforce. Every conversation will be recorded. There will be automations which you can create on Salesforce. I'll come more. I would like to also share about our company via the corporate deck. But before that, I want to share a small experience, what we have been doing here as a company. Using the hybrid work model, we have been not just connecting with our customers, we have been connecting not just with our employees, we have been able to connect with their families too. The pandemic has been a tough time, a lot of people have been suffering, and we have been able to help them out whenever and wherever needed. That is the power of being connected virtually during these tough times. And this is something which we can continue doing and growing further, making an impactful journey for all our customers. In fact, there was a time when all of this started, I used to talk to a lot of leaders. They used to say, they used to complain that they are not able to reach out to people, or the team members are not able to reach out to them. What I suggested? I suggested the same thing. Get into a video call. Start having those team meetings, short team meetings, 20 minutes, 30 minutes team meetings, right? You can get everybody on the same conference, video conference. There you will get to see each other's face. You will get to know each other more. Automatically, you will be able to see their body language, their reactions, and you will be able to connect with them more. And that worked. Let me share my corporate deck with you now. Here is a 360-degree corporate catalog. Talking about our expertise, as I mentioned, we have our expertise across various Salesforce technologies. We have the Salesforce developers. We are into platform development. We are into Salesforce consulting. We are about, what we have been doing is, every business has got its own unique solutions, right? So what we do is we understand the customer needs. Every business is different. It's unique in its own ways. So we understand the customer needs and we tailor those solutions for them on Salesforce CRM. We help them with the Salesforce CRM implementation as a value proposition. We always take a consulting approach. We have got a certified team members. We have the team leads, the developers, the consultants, the architects, all are certified. We have been following, we are a very, it's been 10 years and it is, how we are very clear and strong when it comes to security protocols. We help them in the data maintenance. We ensure that the maximum data maintenance is done with the minimum cost and with the best of technology and the best of ROI is gained. As I said, I love to network with people. Feel free to reach out to me at the email ID I have mentioned, and I will be there to listen, to hear you out. I believe in networking. Ultimately, networking helps us it's not just about business, it's about making more and new friends. I am a social person. I think we all are. Human beings are social. Some are introverts, some are extroverts, but it's always nice to hear each other out. And I am there. Please reach out to us. Talking about our capabilities, we have, as I mentioned, 400 plus resources and 225 plus certifications. And they are going on. We are constantly organizing trainings, all using the hybrid work model, and the resources are getting successfully trained and certified. Talking about our company credentials, we have been a Salesforce partner, we have been an ISV partner, we have been ISO certified, so we have multiple certifications as an organization also. Our numbers talk, the figures talk, how many projects and industries we have delivered across the countries, across the globe. What kind of services we offer? Again, when it comes to the industries, we have catered to almost all the industries, and the industry list keeps on growing. You name an industry and we are there. Talking about our product expertise, we have our experts who have the expertise across all the Salesforce products. You know how Salesforce CRM is. It is the world's #1 CRM product. And the Salesforce CRM keeps on coming with new releases. And we keep our resources getting trained, and we keep hiring new resources with all the new expertise. That's how we are using the hybrid work model. Talking about the expertise, we can develop the mobile apps, we have developed custom websites, we have developed portals, we have done platform optimizations, we have done data migrations, we have done everything. We have helped in installations, migration, building, and expansion on your Salesforce CRM. We ensure that you are using a CRM to get the best of ROI along with the proper value proposition. Ultimately, any project, any digitalization needs these things, right? You need a value proposition, you need the ROI, you need a customer service. And we take pride in having all the best of these. The best of these, actually. So the project methodology, we are an agile organization. We follow the agile methodology. So we discover in the discovery stage, we do the requirement gathering, we do the designing, we have our scrum meetings, we have our quality checks, we do the quality testing, and then we go live. We ensure what the customer wants, we deliver what is exactly expected. We ensure the customer happiness, we ensure the customer satisfaction. Project delivery models, we have both on-site and offshore delivery model, but right now, again, because of the pandemic, we are all using the hybrid delivery methodology. But again, we are ensuring that we have dedicated resources for our customers who need such people. So we ensure that we are available on various timelines, various time zones across the globe. Products, as I mentioned, we have amazing products, and the authenticity, you will be able to see them in our app exchange. You see there are 10 successful app exchange apps. We have 550 plus 5-star reviews in the app exchange, and we have 20 plus app exchange security reviews. You can always go find our 360 SMS app and you will see the details about the same. And obviously, you can always reach out to me. You see, our most successful flagship product is the 360 SMS app. Apart from that, we have the verify the mail, unsubscribe, merge duplicates, we have the CTI, and we have the verify the phone. And we keep on coming with new products. We take pride in that. Who we are, if I talk about us, if you see our journey from 2012, we have grown from a 2-employee company to 400-employee company in about less than 10 years. This is our leadership. Siddharth and Pooja are the co-founders of the company. I am there as a VP of Sales, Rohit is the COO, and we have many other team members. We have offices across around 4 locations in India as well as in California. And we are growing again. Talking about our global presence, if I talk about the key markets, you see that we have North America, we have Europe, we have Middle East, India, as well as APAC. You see, we have been serving all the customers globally, and we ensure that we have people available during their time zones. So we are available 24/5. This is the CEO's message. You see, our teams know what it takes to set up those counting on us for success and growth. Wow. So our CEO is himself a Salesforce guru who has been always abreast with all the latest Salesforce technologies. So with this kind of a leadership, the company is bound to grow. We are all reachable to each other. There is nothing like anybody. I mean, we are all approachable to each other. Any kind of team member can even reach out to the CEO or the COO or the VP or any other leadership. We have amazing work culture. If you want to be a part of our family, feel free to join us. Talking about all of this, I would say thank you and feel free to contact us and know more about how we have been using the hybrid work model to grow together, expand together. Do let us know. Do feel free to share with me what are your thoughts, what are your inputs, and I would be helping you in case you would need any kind of help regarding your CRM technology or your CRM application. This, of course, Salesforce CRM application. Thank you. Bye bye.